Sudarshan, will you dare to do a trade on Indiabulls Housing?
Indiabulls Housing is an investment buying opportunity, and I would dare to suggest that for today, my view is not very bullish, so I won't talk about today.
Okay, Prakash Diwan, a quick word from your end on Ultratech Cement. That stock has had a big run lately.
Yeah. No, I think it's very justified and we will continue. Wait for the numbers and you probably are waiting for the second round of re-rating on that, Sonia.
Okay. Well, Ultratech Cements is what we were talking about. Mitesh, just about 20 seconds to go. Any stock that comes to the mind? Wipro is doing well today.
See, I think IT Pack did pick up yesterday with Wipro leading the rally. I think 295 looks very likely over there. But that apart, I think Tata Motors and Tata Motors DVR, and that was my top call yesterday. I think those two had a good breakout in momentum continuation. I think they could see follow-up today also. Though the pre-open is slightly quiet, but sometime during the day I do expect action to pick up.
The ADR did very well. So let's see now that the bell has gone. It's a flat opening, flat as flat can get. Started 4 points higher, is now 4 points lower than Nifty. But that's it. And the Sensex is still in the green. It was 2 points in the green. Now it's 2 points in the red. Now 5 points. So basically the message is flat as flat can get. That holds for the mid-cap index as well. And the Nifty Bank is maybe a shade lower, about 0.2 lower. Nothing much. Let me start with the Green Brigade since it's flat, I guess, equal weight on both sides. IOC, Wipro. IOC is higher. Is there a corporate event? I don't know. But there's at least nothing in crude prices to make it rise unless there are technical positions. Yeah, I think it's technical positions because BPCL and such other stocks are also in the green. IOC is the biggest gainer with 1.6, and then come Wipro, Tata Motors up about 0.8, Tata Motors, HUL 0.5%, that was Sudarshan's call. Indiabulls Housing 0.6, Yes Bank, Asian Paints, Coal India, GAIL, Hero Motor, all of them up about 1/3% to 0.5%. I think very big, mild gains. The big losers are in metals and of course Sun Pharma. Z Entertainment that Anuj pointed out is technically poised to fall, has fallen, down about 1.2. Vedanta is down about 1.1. Infosys down 0.8. Sun Pharma 0.8. Adani Ports, ICICI Bank, Cipla, Hindalco, HDFC, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Axis Bank. Actually, all the bank majors are in the red, except for HDFC Bank, where it looks like that the going away of the overhang has given it a shade of green. I mean, it's really flat. There are about a couple of stocks which are 1% lower and maybe a couple of stocks which are over 1% higher, but the rest of them are moving in a range of less than 1%. It's a very flat market.
Okay, well, yes, it is very quiet in the mid-cap space. For now, a couple of stocks that are in the news. The index is flat. The market breadth is not bad. There are almost 650 stocks on the advancing side. Dish TV, on that impending deal with Singtel, Dish TV is rising, up about 2%. Wockhardt has gotten approval for a cancer drug, so that stock is in the green, up about 2.5%. NBCC has got that 3,000 crore order win, so that stock is holding up now, up almost about 2% or so. And a couple of these real estate stocks like Oberoi Realty, etc., have had a very good run. In fact, Oberoi Realty is now up 30% for the year, and it's up about 2% today. So these are some stocks that are holding up in the news. On the downside, though, a couple of these names, Jet Airways continues to be under pressure as more bad news coming in there. DHFL is down about 1.5%, and a couple of these smaller banks like South Indian Bank, etc., continue to reel under pressure. Adani Power is also down almost about 1.5% or so. Largely, you would have to say it's a very flat opening for the market, just consolidating. But this is how we begin, right, Anuj? Every day we begin on a slightly consolidatory note, and then it takes that big plunge either way through the day.
Yeah, I think